Now this panel, you can cut it to any size that your damage is. So what I'm going to do is cut this using my scissor. So now I have enough material to cover the size of the damage. And the backing is on here already in the adhesive, so you just need to pull the adhesive off, the backing off. You can see how sticky that is. So now, basically, you just stick it right over the damage. Wow. Pretty impressive. Blends right in with the lens. And what we're going to do next is bring it inside the garage and press on the brake light and see how the bulb shines through it. And there you go. One lens repair kit with the Glass Star kit.